Just changing trains on the Budapest metro. Our train's not quite on there yet, we're 15:35. This is just inside the waiting area at the Budapest Delhi train station. There's not many seats outside, but there's plenty of seats inside. Pretty nice. Comfy looking seats. A blind over the window that you can lift up. Oh, this is us here. No whistles or alarms, we're off. Best you make sure you're here on time. Crossing the border to Croatia. Right, quick video tour of our apartment. First thing you notice in Zagreb is lots of tagging. We Googled about that before we came, and it doesn't mean you're in a really bad area. It's just kids being kids, kind of rebelling, tagging everything. So we arrived last night in the dark. There's a little cafe there. There's a key box, get your key, and up a couple of sets of stairs. Okay, this won't take long. So, kitchen, microwave, washing machine down under there. Yeah, kitchen, a couple of hot plates. It's a very small apartment. Table and chairs, sofa. Bit of a view out. And then here's the tiniest bathroom you've ever seen, almost as tiny as a Paris bathroom. And then a bedroom over here. That is it.